Today we will introduce how to connect the VI6847 fire alarm control panel to the GMC. To connect the fire alarm control panel to the GMC, the network card must be used. On the back of the network card, you can see the labels TX, RX, and G. We connect the wiring to the network card. TX connect to TX, RX connect to RX, and G connect to G. The other end of the wiring is the DB9 plug, which connects to the GMC host. Let's take a look at the internal wiring of the DB9. TX to pin 2, RX to pin 3, and G to pin 5. Just plug the DB9 connector into the COM interface of the back of the GMC host.